welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah again. Today we're doing another sneaker review, and before we go and look at these wonderful sneakers that we are reviewing, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for all the love, and also for those of you who are joining us today for the very first time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below and comment and let me know what you guys think about, or if you have any questions. And also you could follow me on my Instagram. All the information is below, so just check it out. So let's take a look at these sneakers that I'm going to review today. We are reviewing the Air Max, the Nike Air Max 1 Premium, and these are the special editions. As you might know, Puerto Rican Day was second week of June, and for that Nike decided to honor that and release these Puerto Rican flag inspired sneakers. As you can see, the mudguard right here, this one is, the left one is blue and then the right one is red, so this is a very mismatched color block sneakers, but I think just the colors overall works perfectly. Like I said, the left one, the mudguard, is all blue, and then the right one is red. And as you can see, this is just, oh, and then let me show you the insole. So the insole of this is also blue. The mudguard is blue, the insole is blue. Same thing, the mudguard on this one is red, and the insole is red. And another thing that you might be able to, I could show you something that stands out. This has Nike PR Puerto Rico and Air Max, and the same thing, Nike Puerto Rico Air Max. And another detail on this is the Puerto Rican flag on the back of the sneakers. And overall, these sneakers are super comfortable. They are very light, and I actually am a fan of the Nike Air Max premiums. They are really comfortable and they hold very well, and you could walk in them. Besides being super stylish, but it goes with almost any outfit, they're actually really really nice and comfortable that you could wear them for a long time. Another thing, that detail that I could show you that I noticed is the laces. If you take a look at it, one lace is blue and then the other one is red, and then same thing with the next one. Oops, where is it? There we go. So as you can see, the left lace is red and then the right lace is blue. So a little detail that I really like about these little details with Nike and any sneakers manufacturer, that adds to it. So let's take a look at, I'll show you one by one a 360 view, and I'll show you these two together, the sneakers together, and then that way you can decide if you want them or not. But like I said, these are super comfortable, and I'm a fan of these sneakers myself. And so take a look at the side, and this is the one for the right shoe, for your right foot, and that's the front. And we have the other side and the back. And like I said, the insole for this is red, and we have the outsole. And then now we can go take a look at the left shoe. That's the front, the side, the other side. The other side is red, the back, and the insole is blue, just like the mudguard right here, and that's the outsole. Another detail that I just noticed, as you can see, when you look at the shoes, this Nike logo on this side is red and this one is blue, and then when you flip them on this side, this one is blue, this is red. So these two opposite colors are facing each other, and when you wear them, it's like this on your right foot, and then on your left foot it's gonna be like this. So pretty unique, and this is how it's going to look when you're walking around or there, you know, you have your feet together. So like I said, the Puerto Rican colors look amazing on these sneakers. They look really nice. I love how the colors contrast with each other. The color block really works out and plays very nicely. And besides going through the details on these laces at the end, as you can see, the laces also have the Puerto Rico colors on them. And so if you like this video, guys, again, like I said, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys think about it, and if you will even wear them or buy them. I mean, some people don't like the color blocks. I personally love the color blocks. I think they really stands out. So again, give me a thumbs up and support your girl, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.